Hello, my name is Josiah Shaw Crawford. I am an HIA student at Triton College, and today I will be showing you how to make sushi. Alright, today I will be making sushi. To start, we always will start with 1.5 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. So first we put the rice in after it's been washed and add the water to the rice. Now that it's been added, we start off by putting it on a high temperature, and when it starts to boil, we will put it on a low temperature. Now that it has reached that boil, we are going to reduce it to a simmer. Usually this process will make it so it takes to 10 minutes or 15, or until the rice is fully absorbed all the water. Once that's been absorbed, you will start using the nori mat and the sushi roller to make your sushi. Now I have my cooked rice, and I'm going to show you how to make the sushi roll. Now I'm grabbing some gloves so that I can make the sushi, because the rice is really sticky and will definitely stick to your hands while you're making this sushi. Make sure you have some water next to you, because the rice will stick to your hands, and it's very convenient to have some water so that when the rice sticks to your hands, it'll fall off into the water. To start off a sushi roll, you place down 1 sushi nori. After you place the sushi nori, you place the rice. Not too much rice, but enough to spread around all over the nori mat. Make sure you leave a little bit of rice off the end of the nori mat for the rolling process. If too much rice gets on your hands, make sure to use the water so that it will fall off of your hands into the water. I'm flattening the rice down because if the rice is too layered up on the nori mat, then it will not fold well or come apart easily. And now that it is flattened, it's time for the ingredients. For this sushi roll, I will be using imitation crab. For this, it's better to cut the crab meat a little thinner than it already is, so that it folds in easier on the sushi roll. Be sure to line up everything near the bottom half or the middle of the sushi roll so that it rolls evenly. I'm also going to be having some avocado and cucumber on this sushi roll. And make sure it goes from one end to another end when you're putting it on the roll. And now that everything is on the roll, we keep it like this and slowly roll it in. Make sure the ingredients are in tight as you roll it. And boom. As you do that, you have a sushi roll. When you have this roll, it is very important to cut very lightly. If you cut too hard, the ingredients will fall out of the roll. Mostly we do not use the ends because they don't turn out too well, but we use every roll afterwards. Make sure that you keep the sushi roll thin enough so that it's not a mouthful, but thick enough so it holds together. It looks like I managed to get 7 rolls. Now, for this one, I did it so that the sushi is the rice of the sushi is on the inside, but for the California roll, you would do it on the outside. So I'm going to show you how to do that one as well. To do it on the outside, you start off with the same process as on the inside by placing down the sushi rice. And now that the rice is on, I'm going to sprinkle a few sesame seeds for the California roll. And now that we've placed down the rice, you will flip the nori mat so that the rice is facing the bottom part. And now you will add the ingredients, the avocado and the crab meat. Now that those are added, we will roll the sushi. Remember to make sure that you do it really tightly. Capture all of the ingredients that are put on the roll into the first roll. Roll it up nice and tight. If you don't have all of the nori on the mat the first time, then pull it back and roll it some more. And push it together, squeeze it so that it stays together, and there you are. And this is how you make sushi. Enjoy!